Hi everyone, I am Pradeepkumar KP. I am in Chennai today. I am so happy to announce a unique training program for engineers that is going to benefit hundred thousands of engineers monetarily as well as having a happy and successful life. Pre to that, I am conducting a webinar. I am inviting you people to be there and reap the benefit of this unique program, because this is the first time this kind of program has been designed for engineers. And I wish you all engineers to be there, whether you are a fresher engineer or you are retired engineers, working engineers, or even the engineers who are in the business, and also freelancers and teachers and trainers. All these kind of engineering background people or the technical background people can join this program and can have the benefit of this unique system of training I have made for you people. This is a unique career path or unique way of life for engineers, so that they have the best out of this world and they can contribute also to the society the best way they can. Be there in the webinar. Thank you.